wanna step up, I'm let somebody, so I'm next up. Be damned if I let him catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brian?
Hi my loves, it's Narali here again today with another video for you guys. So today's video is going to be really simple. I'm just going to be doing an everyday makeup routine every day because I don't do my makeup every single day. Your girl's lazy as hell, and whenever I do my makeup like this every single day, or like whenever I do my makeup like this, I break out. So there's that. But if you guys want to know how I did do my makeup, then just keep on watching and let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, so first things first, I'm taking my NYX Photo-Loving Primer for like my pores because you know your girl be struggling over here. And then I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus and spraying that all over my face, you know, enjoy my spray on my face or whatever. Love life. Woo. This is my shade, guys, if you didn't know. So now. Yeah, I was totally joking. That's not my shade. I mix it in with my Nars because your girl is dark as hell right now. I've gone to the beach way too many times and I'm just blending that all over my face right now. Keep looking down. I'm sorry. I really don't mean to do it. It's just my mirror is down here, so like, yeah, there's that. This is just what I do every day. Like, no, honestly, it's like, I'm just joking. I don't do my makeup every day. I don't know how people do their makeup every day because I really don't have time, patience, or like anything to do my makeup every day. Yeah, I don't know. Yo, honestly, I give props to people who do their makeup for school because me waking up early, like I'll do it sometimes every now and then, but people who do their makeup every single day for school, I'm like, girl, I give you so much props. I don't have time or patience. Like, I wake up at 7 and I go in at 7:50. And somehow I'm almost always late, and I literally have to walk down the street to get to my school. Like, I literally live right there, but I'm still not gonna wake up early. The closer, and my town is really small, and I've lived in all parts of this town, and every time I move closer to the school, I moved like 3 times, I think, and each time I move closer, and each time I'm just like, yes, because that means I get to sleep more. So, you know, there's that. The first bell rings at 7:50, and I leave my house at 7:50, and I get to school. I like run to school, and I get there at 8 o'clock because that's when the late bell rings. You know, I'm almost always late, but I'm never actually late, so as long as you're there, right? Oh, see, perfect match, guys. I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and this is usually a little dark on me, but you know, since I'm dark right now, this is like light on me or whatever, and I'm just applying that to the usual places, you know? And then I'm going to take my Mercier powder and applying that where I put my concealer, you know the deal. I'm definitely not the only one that you guys have seen do this. I've been working out because, you know, sometimes you just have to work out because you're feeling a little chunky. So I've been working out. I mean, I should probably be working on the eating healthy part because like I really suck at that. Because like, you know, I work at a freaking pizzeria, so how is it that I'm supposed to eat healthy when I'm surrounded by pizza all the time? We don't know. But anyways, so now I'm just combing out my brows. I really don't fill them in. I actually forgot to include the brow gel that I use. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's just a sample right now, and I just put that all over my brows so that they're not really crusty. And then I'm concealing them because I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a minute, and your girl looking like a gorilla right now, but it's okay. Concealer does a wonderful job. Using my Fit Me powder and putting it under my brows so that the concealer doesn't move and you can't see my crustiness, you know? I usually do my makeup really, really fast, but like since I'm explaining everything, that's why it's taking so long for me. I don't even know what time I started at. It feels weird doing my makeup without any music though. But like I record on my phone because like I don't have a camera. I mean, I really want one, but I mean, I have a camera, but it's just for pictures and then takes videos, so there's that. And actually, I don't even know where my camera is because I let my sister borrow it, and if you're watching this, I want my camera back. I let her borrow it because she went to Florida, and I never got it back because she didn't lose the camera, but she lost the charger for it. So yeah, if you're watching this, find the charger and get back to me. Thanks, love you. I don't know what to do next because I really miss my Wonder Stick. I feel like when my contour, it doesn't look as nice when I don't cream contour, but I'll be right back.
Now I'm just using the ABH cream contour kit.
I love cream contour because I feel like it makes your contour look so much better. But like, I don't know, whenever I put it on a brush, I don't know how to do it. Like the Wonder Stick was just like, you stick it up, ta-da, and you're done, you know? Alright, actually, hold on. Before I do that, I'm gonna... Oh, here it is. See?
So yeah, I'm just taking my Mercier powder and I'm putting that under my cheekbones, and then I'm going back in with the ABH cream contour kit to put that on my cheekbones. If that makes any sense, just watch the video if you don't know what I'm doing here, you know? Just feel. I'm also contouring my forehead because, you know, it's big as hell and I want to make it look a little smaller.
That looks muddy. Ew. Y'all, my makeup palette looks so trash right now. I promise, it doesn't look this bad every day. Alright, what am I doing next? Oh. I freaking hate my life. Like, why? Why? Why would I leave this open? I just don't understand. I'll be right back. Again. I'm trying to walk like mad careful. I just brought the wipes over here. Well, I'm trying to walk mad careful because I got this on my shirt.
So after I got the foundation off, I went in with my Kat Von D palette and I set the places where I contoured with the cream contour.
This side looks really good. But then there's this side, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it any justice. Seriously, I have no idea what I was doing in this, but I was dying after editing it. But now I'm just contouring my nose in this, you know, and back to a normal person. Oh shit, my nose is snatched or whatever.
Taking my blush and applying that to my cheeks, and then I'm going to take my glow kit and apply that to my cheekbones.
And this is when I really start feeling myself because I'm like, damn, it's just glowing like that. Alright, so here, whatever.
Also putting the highlight on my nose, and I'm so sorry about the lighting change. I have no idea what happened. Like, seriously, I was like, what the heck, while I was editing. And then I'm taking my Mercier Big Mascara and applying that on my lashes. I actually did go ahead and line my lips with the NYX lip liner in the shade Rose Brown, and then I went in with my MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl. And after that, I basically just set my makeup with the NYX matte finish setting spray, and then that's basically it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.
So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below, like and subscribe. Last video when I said that, I said it so weird. I don't even know what the hell I was saying. Like, I really don't. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you do all that. And please let me know what other videos you guys want to see because I'm running out of ideas and I really don't know what to post. And I don't mean to like not post for so long. It's just I don't know what to film. So yeah, if you guys can help me out with that, it'd be lovely. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, they only fucked you over 'cause you let it.